Thanks for tuning in to the Doing Stuff channel, where we do stuff. If you'd like to support the channel, hit that subscribe button. And any other love is greatly appreciated. And this video is going to be kind of a short video. I got some footage of some of the things that I've learned with bamboo. If you're just now tuning in, this is episode 2 or step 2 of the bamboo journey. I am just learning as I go. And it would be awesome if you guys had tips or suggestions as to maybe what type of craft or better techniques to work with bamboo. Let's go ahead, let's take a look at some of the things that I've been doing. As you can see here, I'm basically just trying to make these thin slices, and it's the type of, I guess, material that you're probably more commonly, or that is more commonly used with bamboo. A lot of baskets out there, a lot of weaving type of crafts like coasters, pencil holders. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. But until I can perfect cutting this bamboo into thin slices, I'm going to be very limited. If I'm going to do it, why not put it online, put it on YouTube, share it with you guys, and maybe I can get some advice, or maybe I can learn from an audience like I did with bass fishing. And so, you know, hey, it's just a real simple deal here. It's you know, if you don't understand the backstory behind why I'm messing around with this bamboo, I will leave a link to the previous episode in the description. I'm going to be putting those pieces into a craft that I was already working on, the picture frame. More importantly, what I'd really want is maybe a better tool or a suggestion on how to easier or more efficiently slice the bamboo. I don't know if that exists. Just getting your hands on it with tools, knives, and, you know, Dremels, just doing different things with it. I've learned how I can use this raw material and to actually build many things that are useful. I'm actually currently drying out, I guess you'd say, bundle of bamboo that I could actually use for like a privacy wall or flower bed borders. There's always a way to use this material. For example, I watched a video the other night where he actually used bamboo as like a trap. So he baited the hogs into this like bamboo cage that he built, and the door would close behind them. And so it's just another example. It would be awesome if you guys had tips or suggestions as to maybe what type of craft or better techniques to work with bamboo.